students, welcome to the biology class of StudyGist. Today we will continue with the chapter Health and Disease. So first we will discuss about the polio virus, pulse polio immunization program, and two diseases which are being the victim of these two diseases, and these are caused by the bacteria or bacterial disease. First is tuberculosis, in short as TB, and second is cholera. But before we start, I want to remind you about our social media platforms like our YouTube channel StudyGist Academy. Do subscribe our channel, like our Facebook page, join our Telegram channel. The link is provided here, and the name of the channel StudyGist School 7 to 10. It looks like this. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates about the live classes as well as the study materials. Follow us on Instagram and join us through WhatsApp community. The number is displayed over the screen, and for more updates do visit our website www.studygist.in. Now in Google Play Store, our free app of StudyGist is available. It looks like this. It's a very user-friendly app, and through this app the live classes are being conducted. Apart from the live classes, the recorded classes of each and every subject, these are also available. So do download this app and install it now. This is how our YouTube channel looks like. So subscribe our channel, and then don't forget to hit the bell notification. Keep the notification on to get instant updates whenever any new videos will be uploaded in our channel. Now this is how our Facebook page looks like. So like us on Facebook too for being united with us. So without any further delay, we are moving on to our discussion. So our first topic is polio. So polio, what is the name of the disease? In short, it is called polio, but the name of the disease is poliomyelitis. It is a disease of the nervous system which is caused by one of the smallest known virus, that is the poliovirus. Poliovirus causes the poliomyelitis disease, which is a virus-borne disease and mainly affects the nervous system. This virus enters the body through the food and the water that we consume and reaches the small intestine, and from there it directly enters to the CNS or the central nervous system, and it starts to damage the brain as well as the spinal cord. How it enters, how it passes via the bloodstream and the lymphatic system, where the lymph is the main part through which it flows, right? In CNS, that means inside the central nervous system, the virus destroyed the motor nerves of the spinal cord, which are responsible for the muscular control, and therefore the muscles of the polio infected person becomes incapable. They become incapable of carrying out the normal functions. So normal functions are affected. It is a kind of paralysis. Polio means it's a kind of paralysis. In this picture you can see, by seeing the person, it is clearly visible, it's clearly understood that mainly the legs are affected and a kind of paralysis is happening. Okay. Children between the age of 6 months to 3 years, they are most prone to the polio infection. So it is this polio or poliomyelitis, it is transmitted among the children by the fecal-oral route and through the direct contact, dirty hands as well as contaminated food, milk, and also through the flies. Fecal-oral route of the infection of this disease includes transmission of an infection via food or water that is contaminated by stool of a patient. Now what are the symptoms? How we will understand? The early symptoms of poliovirus are sore throat and tremendous headache. Excessive headache and sore throat, these are the two early basic symptoms of polio. If the infection persists, means अगर ये infection रह गया, then the person suffers from fever. उसके बाद sore throat और headache के बाद शुरू होता है fever, vomiting tendency, pain in the muscles, in the joints, neck region will be stiff, tingling sensation in the limbs, and ultimately it will lead to paralysis. Sooner or later, polio results in the atrophy of the skeletal muscles and ultimately the affected limbs will be deformed. जो limbs affected हुआ है वो deformed होगा, जैसा उसका shape है वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं रहेगा, properly खड़े होने के लायक जैसा structure रहता है हम लोगों का, इस disease में वैसा नहीं होता है, totally deformed हो जाता है. Okay? How we can prevent it? Firstly, the complete rest we have to take, and physiotherapy is a very good way which can be very, very helpful in the beginning. If it is detected in the very beginning, then physiotherapy can be very, very useful. Exercising of legs is done to reduce the paralytic effect, paralytic tendency or motive. Maintenance of hygiene by proper sanitary disposal of the waste is an essential step for the prevention of polio. And this is the essential step not only for the prevention of polio but also for the prevention of many other diseases. Nowadays, oral polio vaccine or OPV, it is given orally to the children as per the national immunization schedule in our country. Oral polio vaccine or OPV is a live attenuated viral strain which is taken by mouth, which colonizes the gut and induces the immunity. Now next topic is Pulse Polio Immunization Program or PPIP program. This program, it forms the largest single day public health project. Pulse means what? Pulse means a dose of substance. Here we are talking about the dose, means the substance, that is the polio vaccine, especially when it is applied over a short period of time. It was conducted for the first time when in the year of 1995, the month of December, in an attempt to eradicate the polio from our country. Eradicate means दूर हटाना, right? पोलियो को हमेशा हमेशा के लिए हमारी कंट्री से दूर करने के लिए it was the first attempt, and it was done in the month of December of the year 1995. This program uses oral polio vaccine or OPV as per the national immunization schedule. A dose of 3 drops that is containing almost 0.5 ml, it is given orally to the child, that is 1 dose each at 1.5 months, 2.5 months and 3.5 months of age. Finally, a booster dose, lastly a booster dose is given at the age of 1.5 years. ये 1.5 महीना, 2.5 महीना और 3.5 महीने के बाद जो बूस्टर डोज फाइनली दिया जाता है वो कब दिया जाता है? जब चाइल्ड की एज हो जाती है 1.5 साल. ओके. द वैक्सीन कंसिस्ट ऑफ माइल्डर फॉर्म्स ऑफ पोलियो वायरल पार्टिकल्स, राइट? तो वैक्सीन में क्या रहता है? पोलियो वायरल जो पार्टिकल्स है उसका बहुत ही माइल्ड फॉर्म रहता है, ताकि धीरे धीरे इम्यूनिटी, वैक्सीनेशन के बाद धीरे धीरे इम्यूनिटी ग्रो करे. आफ्टर ओरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, virus particles in the vaccine begin to live in the intestine of the human body and multiply. It rather leads to the production of protective molecules. Protective molecules means here we are talking about the antibodies, right? Those chemical substances which are very, very useful for developing immunity in the intestine and also in the blood. The prefixed days on which the pulse polio immunization is to be carried out throughout our country are called National Immunization Days or NIDs. So what were the basic aims of this program, of pulse polio immunization program or PPIP program? Firstly, to immunize those children who are not earlier immunized or are partially immunized, जिसमें जिन जिन बच्चों को पहले ये पोलियो वायरस, ये पोलियो वैक्सीन देके इम्यूनाइज किया नहीं गया था, उनको देना, उनको इम्यूनाइज करना ये वैक्सीन अप्लाई करके। और ये भी मान लीजिए कि जो 3 डोज में से 1 डोज किसी को दिया गया था, किसी को 1 डोज नहीं मिला था, पार्शियली जिन लोगों को दिया गया था उन लोगों को कंप्लीट डोज देना था इस प्रोग्राम का मेन एम। सेकेंडली, टू रिप्लेस द डिजीज कॉजिंग वाइल्ड वायरस बाय द हार्मलेस वैक्सीन virus in the environment. Next, we are talking about the disease which are caused by bacteria. First is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis was first discovered by German scientist Robert Koch in the year 1882. He was awarded with Nobel Prize for his discovery in the year 1905. TB or tuberculosis is an infectious disease which is communicable and can be transmitted very easily. एक infected person से एक healthy person को बहुत ही easily ये transmit हो जाता है, and it is communicated from one person to another person either directly or even indirectly too. It is also contracted from animals. Contamination animals से भी हो सकता है. It is caused by a bacterium and the name of the bacterium is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the bacteria which causes the tuberculosis or TB disease. The bacterium basically releases a toxin called tuberculin. ये toxin जो है वो Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria ये tuberculin जो toxin है उसको release करता है. TB can affect all parts of the body, such as lungs are affected very badly, lymph glands, bones, intestine, all these areas are very much affected. In the picture also you can see this Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is affecting the lungs. Firstly, the lungs will be affected badly, the lymph nodes, lymph glands, bones, as well as the intestines too. In human beings, the infection of TB, it spreads by how it spreads by inhaling the infected droplets released during coughing, during sneezing, during talking, or sometimes during spitting also. Many of us may have the bad habit of spitting here and there, तो उससे भी spit से भी ये infection बहुत ही easily फैल सकता है. Now, how we'll get to know that any person is suffering from this disease or not? By understanding the symptoms. So, what are the symptoms? Firstly, the person who are suffering from this disease will feel very weak and will fall sick very soon. There is a loss of appetite and weight. Weight loss बहुत जल्दी होगा और there will not be any hunger. Typical fever pattern and night sweats. ये जो है typical ठीक नाइट टाइम में स्वेटिंग होगा और पहले क्या होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा फीवर आएगा और स्वेटिंग होके टेम्परेचर जो है वो फॉल करेगा. ये जो पैटर्न है ये इसके बाद दिखता है, एंड दीज आर वेरी मच कॉमन. द सिम्टम्स ऑफ टीबी वैरी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द साइट ऑफ द इन्फेक्शन in the body. There are the following two ways. There are following specific 2 sites of tuberculosis infection. फर्स्ट इज द लंग और पल्मोनरी टीबी. फर्स्ट जो है ट्यूबरकुलोसिस में कौन सा ऑर्गन सबसे पहले इफेक्टेड होता है? दैट इज द लंग्स और द pulmonary. It's also called pulmonary. The person suffers from pulmonary TB, has continuous fever, persistent cough, and produces blood-stained sputum. There is loss of weight and weakness. The chest pain and the breathlessness. हम लोगों को लगता है कभी कभी चेस्ट में बहुत पेन होता है इस टाइम में, क्योंकि लंग्स जो है वो इफेक्टेड है, तो डेफिनेटली चेस्ट पेन विल स्टार्ट. एंड ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग जैसे ब्रीथ नहीं कर पा रहे, सो ब्रेथलेसनेस भी फील होता है. दीज आर ऑल्सो द कॉमन फीचर्स. व्हेन द ट्यूबरकुलोसिस बैक्टीरिया enter the lungs, they set up a local inflammation. वो अंदर का जो पार्ट है inside the lungs वो inflamed हो जाता है and they also start to irritate. This usually heals up and leaves a small patch of scar tissue which shows up in X-ray photographs. In advanced stages of tuberculosis, large areas of the lungs are destroyed. So ये X-rays फोटोग्राफ से ये अंदर का जो स्मॉल पैच ऑफ स्कार है टिश्यू में वो दिखता है. इससे ये पता लगता है कि कितना लंग्स कितना इफेक्टेड हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज लिम्फ ग्लैंड टीबी. फर्स्ट वाज लंग टीबी और pulmonary TB and second one is lymph gland TB. Symptoms of this TB, of the lymph gland TB, these are the swelling and the tenderness of the lymph glands, often in the leg, which may discharge secretion through the skin. Skin से कभी कभी secretion होता है. अब next topic है कि इसको हम लोग कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं. Firstly, vigorous public health measures are the best method for the prevention of this disease. And other preventive measures include isolation and proper rehabilitation of the patient. Properly उसको isolate करना और rehabilitation centers में place करना बहुत important है. Avoidance of overcrowding, provision of good ventilation as well as better nutrition, better nutritive health, it will be very very useful for reducing the incidence of the disease. Next is immunization with the bacillus. Okay, so BCG vaccine, it contains weakened tuberculosis bacillus. ट्यूबरकुलोसिस जो बैसिलस बैक्टीरिया है उसका बहुत ही वीकेंड फॉर्म को ये कैरी करता है एंड इट इज इंजेक्टेड इनटू द स्किन ऑफ अ पर्सन टू गिव इम्यूनिटी फॉर 3 to 5 years. Next is the control of this. The tuberculosis can be cured by the 6 drugs. First is rifampicin, INH, streptomycin, then ethambutol, pyrazinamide, and last one is the thioacetazone. So these are the 6 essential drugs by which we can get rid of tuberculosis. So what are this? Rifampicin, INH, streptomycin, okay, and the fourth one is pyrazinamide, ethambutol and thioacetazone. In this way it can be controlled by the use of ATT, that is anti-tubercular therapy. Next our topic is cholera. Next disease is cholera. Cholera is acutely infectious fatal disease and is more common during the overcrowded fairs, festivals and after flood. So after overcrowded fair, festival और flood जो होता है, flood के बाद this is a very common thing which may happen. Sometimes what happens, sometimes cholera occurs in epidemic form, बहुत ही huge large widespread form में देखा जाता है and is spread over the large population also. It is caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. This is the picture of Vibrio cholerae. It is transmitted by flies, contaminated water as well as food. When sanitation is very poor, it spreads rapidly. Sanitation जब ठीक नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं है, क्लीनली सैनिटेशन नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं मिल रहा है, तब ये फैलना मतलब इस बैक्टीरिया के लिए, विब्रियो कॉलेरी बैक्टीरिया के लिए ये कॉलेरा स्प्रेड करना बहुत इजी हो जाता है. ओके, द इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड ऑफ कॉलेरा is generally from a few hours to 2 or 3 days. When the bacteria of cholera are ingested, इसको थ्रू फूड, थ्रू कॉन्टामिनेटेड फूड फ्लाई से जब ये हो जाता है, कॉन्टामिनेशन हो जाता है और इसको इंजेस्ट किया जाता है और किया जा चुका है, देन इट मल्टीप्लाई in the small intestine and invades the epithelial cell. Epithelial cells means outer covering cell. So पहले ये small intestine को affect करता है और epithelial cell है जो उस region का जो outer covering cell है, covering region है, covering cells है, epithelial cell, उसको भी invade करता है. When the bacteria died means when this Vibrio cholerae dies, they release some toxin which irritates the intestinal lining and it can lead to secretion of large amounts of water as well as salts. Now what are the symptoms of it? First symptom, watery diarrhea. It is generally painless, but watery diarrhea is the first symptom of cholera. Next is effortless vomiting without nausea. Is whenever the patient, the suffering, the victim will vomit, he or she will not feel any kind of nausea with the vomit. Third is loss of several liters of fluid from patient's body and it takes place within hours. बॉडी का जो फ्लूइड है वो बहुत सेवरल लीटर्स ऑफ फ्लूइड इज रिलीज, वो बहुत लॉस हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी से, और फ्लूइड क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी रिलीज होता है इसलिए इट कैन रिजल्ट इनटू डिहाइड्रेशन. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी कॉमन. एंड देन वेट लॉस एंड मसल क्रैम्प इन द मसल. these are also the symptoms of it. Okay, next, great loss of mineral salts and body fluid leads to kidney failure. सो मिनरल सॉल्ट्स का और बॉडी फ्लूइड का बहुत ही जल्दी से, बहुत ही फास्ट और रैपिड वे में लॉस होने के वजह से किडनी फेलियर इज वेरी कॉमन सिम्टम्स ऑफ इट. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, आईज ऑफ द पेशेंट बिकम श्रंकन. आईज जो है वो प्रॉपरली नहीं दिखता है, क्लियरली नहीं दिखता है, वो श्रंकन हो जाता है. ओके, हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट इट? व्हाट अबाउट द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ इट? See, firstly, the persons should be immunized by standard cholera vaccine. Standard cholera vaccine से persons को immunize करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And one dose of immunization, it lasts for how long? It lasts for about 6 months. एक बार एक डोज अगर इम्यूनिटी के लिए एक डोज प्रोवाइड किया जाए, एक डोज दिया जाए, तो वो 6 महीने तक परसिस्ट करता है. इसका लास्टिंग होता है अबाउट 6 months. इन कोलेरा प्रोन एरियाज द बॉइल्ड वाटर एंड कुक्ड फूड शुड बी टेकन. जो कोलेरा प्रोन एरिया है जहाँ पर बहुत सारे एपिडेमिक वे में कोलेरा हुआ है सबको, वहाँ पर बॉइल्ड वाटर और कुक्ड फूड, आधी पकी हुई खाना नहीं खानी चाहिए और वाटर जो है हमेशा बॉइल्ड फॉर्म में पीना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, केयरफुल पर्सनल हाइजीन एंड गुड सैनिटेशन. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक कम्युनिटी में पर्सनल हाइजीन भी एक, और कम्युनिटी लेवल में प्रॉपर हाइजीन मेंटेन करना और सैनिटेशन प्रॉपर रहना, गुड सैनिटेशन इज वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी. दीज आर द ओनली सर्टन प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट बिफोर द ऑकरेंस ऑफ कॉलेरा. Now how we can control it? Firstly, for preventing dehydration therapy, जो इससे बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लूइड जो है वो बाहर चला जाता है बॉडी के बाहर से, इसलिए डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाता है, मतलब लॉस ऑफ फ्लूइड इनसाइड आवर बॉडी. सो इसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए विद द ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन सोल्यूशन और ORS जो है उसको लेना चाहिए. शुड बी डन इमीडिएटली. एंड ORS सोल्यूशन, it contains what? It contains 3.5 gram of sodium chloride, 2.5 grams of sodium carbonate, 1.5 grams of potassium chloride, 20 gram of glucose, 40 grams of sucrose in 1 liter water. So in ORS contains what? In 1 liter of water, 2.5 gram of sodium bicarbonate, 1.5 gram potassium chloride, 3.5 gram sodium chloride, 20 gram glucose and 40 gram sucrose. These are present. So taking The small sips of ORS solution at regular intervals, it prevents the dehydration of the body. For any kind of for any cause, if dehydration is happening, then ORS is the best solution for that. Next one, immediate medical advice should be sought. Antibiotics such as tetracycline, it is very useful to kill the bacteria of cholera, means Vibrio cholerae. So this is all about today. See you in the next class with few more topics of this chapter. Till then, thank you.